Welcome back, guys, to CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to talk about a Chainlink. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I highly recommend you join in Telegram channel. It's totally for free. And if you would like to find some information or find some my video about some altcoins, you just go into Telegram channel to browse section and type Chainlink. And you can find big video about Chainlink global chart. And you will find the main zones what I posted in May 2023. So all zones is relevant. And here I remind you, we trade long time period in this range in the market. We just traded that time when I made the video from May. Here it was around here. And then I made updates. So we just forming the deviation at the bottom. Here was a low a top, here was the lowest point. We form a deviation at the bottom. Now we form a deviation at the top. And we trade basically here till last week, we traded 525 days in the range. So this range is basically done. And let me remind you the main target. So it's a global chart on the Gate EO from November 17, 2017. Here's the FIB. FIB still relevant. We tested 27 zone. This is a global chart. One more time confirmation. So that April, May, March, zone 21, it was the end of bull run. Like you remember here, top $53, then collapsed down to support, test 61, collapsed down to 0, and tested over than 500 days. We tested here, 27 zone. And if you determine the FIB correct, you can build your average entry. So this is a FIB of this zone. And like you can see, like this one up here. Like you can see, we didn't test 0.5 level by FIB, but we tested 0.38 and get reaction. This is how you can build the FIB, how you can use the FIB, and how you can work with the levels. And like we walk from level to level. And it maybe will not beat previous all-time high. Just make sure we're going to test at least 0.5. And in this case, I think we definitely will sweep this high, this liquidity. So 0.5, 61, 33, 37, around 38. Gonna be it's most conservative prices what we can see for a link. Maybe then we go into next bear market and we will not beat previous all-time high. I don't know, nobody knows. If we go to new all-time high, the next step is $77. That's why it's only up to you. Just mark your entry zone and mark your exit. And while you use the DCA strategy for accumulation, use DCA strategy for distribution. So you can fix some profit at 38 level by FIB, for example, 0.5, 61, and leave some percentage of coins to new all-time high, or at least withdraw initial deposit. So you already can do this. If you bought, for example, in average at $5, so come on, at 10, you could withdraw initial deposit just to leave free coins. That's why let's go and double check what's going on with indicators. Take profit on a weekly. Why we get reaction? Because here, trade long-term period under fundamental price, bounce from the buy line. Here, pure reaction at take profit. Pure reaction at take profit. Yes, negative scenario, we can come back once again to the buy line. Buy line now at this current moment, $5.35. I don't think so. We'll go so low, but it's just my personal opinion. So all lines are dynamic and we can start curve up, or we can go once again to the buy line, and then even go to test 27 level. So 27 level, it's the most bearish scenario what I can see for Chainlink. If we will see something like this one, it's going to be total capitulation, depression for the next few years. That's why I'm more bullish now, but always take a profit and withdraw initial deposit if you bought this coin, for example. So bullish targets, it's 0 level, 23 locally. Would be good to see 23. We will close the fulfill of this weekly gap. This one, this block. So this is what about take profit, trade on. Based on trade on here. Like same things like on a Bitcoin. We never seen the signal to buy, but when we see sell, then recommendation close position. This recommendation close position always playing out like a good bounce here. Pump, sell, step by step. Whales distribute their coin, then crash, 1, 2, bounce, 1, bounce, 1, bounce, and accumulation, a long time period accumulation. So this is what about trade on. If we take a look on A to Z direction, I just remind you here, even now we're just in the middle. So this was a time to accumulate. This was time to accumulate. We never seen the biggest accumulation ever. Even here, here. Always, I recommend you use indicator set because it's showing you what the whales do. And weekly time frame, I made a lot of back testing, and a weekly time frame, it's playing out perfectly well for investments. You know, for intraday, you have to use totally different strategy, you know. So here, accumulation also on a direction. From May 2022, somebody accumulated. So average entry, these guys, so it can be around $7, for example. So over the zero level, they can withdraw initial deposit, just leave free coins and write with a FOMO, you know, till the top. And less indicator, two less indicators, market smooth and the money power. Market smooth, like you can see, we came in to trill or apheria zone. It's just the beginning because we can trade long-term period in this area. Take a look at depression. We traded in depression zone long-term period from January 2022 till January 2023. 1 year we traded in depression. The same story can be opposite if we, for example, invert scale. Always use also invert scale. It helped you a lot, you know. So imagine this apheria now is the same like we came into a depression zone. That's why we can see, of course, negative scenario we can see like this one, but we can see also this move. For example, sweep this liquidity and then going down, but if you inverse scale, it's going to look like this one. So just build your average entry, build your average exit. For money power, here was the time. Here is a RSI divergency. RSI divergency is bullish signal. We trade at 27 zone. We get 2 RSI zone, 2 RSI bullish divergency. We got a test of bottom, like it was here, and we get a MACD divergency. So this was the best entry point at lowest point $5, round number $5. So now you got a 100% profit. Congrats. Now I'm waiting this zone, yellow, orange, when the whales start fix their profit position. But mark your entry, mark your exit. So guys, all lines relevant, all zones relevant. Highly recommend you go and watch my big video about Chainlink from May 2023. I will share and build an idea on TradingView so we can track it. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you want to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed you in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.